Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to reduce video quality on Prime Video. You see, it is common to want to reduce video quality to save on data usage or if you have a slow internet connection. Here's how you can typically adjust video quality on Prime Videos. Now within the Prime Video app, using a mobile device, you can open the Prime Video app, go to My Stuff on your profile settings, look for a settings icon that looks like a gear icon most times, find Stream and Download option, select Streaming Quality settings. You see options like this, just say about good, better and best. Choose the lower quality option that suits your need. Then if you're using the web browser that's on the computer, go to primevideo.com, start playing the video, look for settings or options icon, initially get icon within the video player, adjust video quality from the available options that is good, better and best. It's as simple as that.